Okay, I'm going to start by going to vice-emu.sourceforge.io and downloading the tarball for Vice 3.10. Okay, when that's done, we're going to enter some commands to install some programs. I'll have these in the description. So after I've done all that, I'm going to cd into the downloads folder. And we can see my Vice 3.10 download. So type tar XVZF and the name of the file that was downloaded. Okay, when that's done, we're going to cd into Vice-3.10. Then enter the command /configure. Okay, it's saying the DOS to Unix tool is missing, so do sudo apt install DOS to Unix. Okay, when that's done, do /configure again. Okay, when that's done, type make. When make is done, type sudo make install. When that's done, you can just type X64 SC. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.